And good afternoon, departure Spirit 729 with you. 2,105,000 heading 180 sun.
Spirit 729, Sky Departure Radar contact. Let me maintain 15,000.
Alright, we'll climb, yes ma'am, we have an indication of a cargo door. It might be ajar here, so we look like we're going to be coming back into Chicago.
Spirit 729, Roger. It's going to be runway 28 center. Turn left heading 140 and just maintain 4,000.
Maintain 4,000 and 28 center, Spirit 729.
Spirit 729, turn left heading 090.
090, Spirit 729, we're processing, getting a hold of the company real quick, thank you.
Okay.
360 heading Spirit 729. Spirit 729, we're going to need maybe 5 more minutes.
Spirit 729, Roger. You're fine on the 360 heading. I'll just take you across the finals and you can expect to be on the right downwind.
Okay, thank you.
And connect Chicago approach on 133.62, 3362, and tell him your speed.
3362 will advise, thanks, 729. Spirit 729 and 4,000 on a 360 heading 200 knots. We'll need a couple more minutes.
Spirit 729, Roger. We'll just keep you nearby the localizer and just let me know when you're ready to return.
Will do, thank you.
Spirit 729, turn right heading 080, downwind vector.
080, Spirit 729. Spirit 729, we're ready to turn around.
Spirit 729, turn right heading 240, right turn, intercept the runway 28 center localizer.
Alright, 240 heading, intercept the 28 center localizer, Spirit 729, thanks.
Spirit 729, you're 5 miles from Hazel, maintain 4,000 to establish on the localizer, cleared out left runway 28 center approach, and maintain 170 knots or greater until SEIKA.
Alright, 170 greater to SEIKA, and we're cleared by left to runway 28 center, thank you.
Spirit 729, contact order tower SEIKA 120.75.
27.5 over SEIKA, take care, thanks for your help, we'll talk to you in a little while, Spirit 729.
Good day.
And tower Spirit 729 is inbound for 28 center.
Spirit 729, O'Hare Tower, wind 210 at 10, runway 28 center, cleared to land.
Clear to land 28 center, thanks for your help, Spirit 729.
Spirit 729, when able, 2 right turns onto Papa, hold short of Golf Golf.
Papa, short of Golf Golf.